So something is chewing holes through this whole container. I mean, all my beets in this container is holes in it. I hate to lose all these beets. Literally every beet has a hole in it. And this happened over the last few days. I've been busy, haven't paid enough attention apparently, and look what happened. Look at this, the same type of container, right next to it are my radishes. There is not one hole in the radishes. Beet container right next to it, all holes. I have no clue what's eating this. I flipped the leaves and I'm not seeing anything. Because with all these holes, I mean, there's nothing on there. Nothing except for holes, that is. Let me show you. And there's nothing under the leaves. Nothing. So I don't know if it's coming out at night. You know, I am gonna do the soap solution, but I mean, look at that one. So maybe something's under these. I do have oak leaves. Maybe something's hiding under the oak leaves. It must be, because there's nothing there. So now I'm gonna mix up some of my liquid soap and mix it in my pump sprayer and spray the beets. Hopefully that will help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.